Hi, it's Steph again, and I want to do a video about the raining season here in Thailand. At the moment I'm staying in Bangkok, and you read a lot on the internet about the raining season, and they make people a little bit afraid of going to Thailand because you get wet all day and whatever day. It's too hot in Thailand during the raining season. You better go in December and January. Well, I'm gonna show you what the weather is now about. It's in the middle of raining season, and it's now end of August, beginning September. So, okay, I will show you what raining season is about. Look at that sunshine. A few white clouds, as you can see. In fact, it hasn't rained all day today, and I'm now about 6 days here in Bangkok, and I've seen it rain for 2 times, maybe 3 times, for 1 hour during the day. And let's come back. We had one night with heavy storm, but that's okay. I slept through it, and as you can see, you not have to worry a lot about the raining season here in Thailand. I think they want to scare people. I don't know why. So that's why I also mentioned before, don't take an umbrella with you to Thailand, or not even a raincoat or something. You don't need it. When you see the clouds getting dark, you know that it's going to rain in about one hour or half hour. So when you know that, just plan your day and go drink a coffee for an hour or something. After it rains, the moisture, the humidity in the air will evaporate the rain very soon. It's about dry in 15 minutes sometimes. So not worry too much about the raining season, okay? When it's starting to rain, I will show you. You can see it on the clouds. I will make it in this video, okay? Bye. Hi, I'm still at my hotel, and I'm talking about the rain season, and it's now about 15 minutes past 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and as you can see outside, no rain. When I started to make this video, it was about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Didn't rain yet, didn't rain all day. When it starts to rain, I will show you. You can see it on the clouds. But I don't expect any rain for at least 2 hours now. It's beautiful. Still no rain. As you can see, it's getting dark now, and it didn't rain all day. Isn't that great? Maybe it will rain this evening, but we will see. Bye. Oh yes, I changed my shirt, so in case you wonder, it's not the same day, it's the same day. It's a new shirt I just buy here in Robinson, and I paid about 470 baht for it. It's not much, huh? Good deal. Bye. Still no rain. Hi, welcome back to my video about the raining season, and this is day 2 and it hasn't rained yet. I think it didn't rain also this night, because in the morning when I wake up I didn't see any red spots on the roads or anything. Maybe it rained a little bit, but I don't notice it. So this is day 2 and it's almost noon now, and still no rain, and this is the raining season. So you not have to worry about the rain season. Okay, I'll show you. Yeah, there are some white clouds, but white clouds are okay. They not forecast any rain. Today I'm heading for Pattaya with my girlfriend, and I will make some videos there also, and show you a little bit how life is in Pattaya. Okay, see you soon. Bye. It took me 5 days to finally show you some dark clouds outside. I'm pretty happy about that now, in the middle of raining season. Can you imagine?